Hey, and welcome to my tutorial number 1. This is actually my first tutorial, so I hope you will enjoy it. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a few basic mapping tricks and details. Start from the beginning, how to make a map and make the best functional map possible. Okay, we're gonna start by creating the floor. Click on your texture tool, type in node roll. Okay, I got the node roll. Now for the walls. You mark the floor, press shift and then just drag it to copy their box, you know, the brush from this one, and you just do the same here, and here, like that. Okay, now we got the walls and we got the floor. Now go to your texture tool again. Now find the texture that you want to use. This I just type in Egypt. It's a custom texture pack, so you probably don't have it, but just use whatever texture you want. And you simply select only this side of the wall by clicking with the right mouse button, like that. Okay, like this. Now we have the floor and we have the walls. Okay, now for the skybox. You mark the walls you have and shift drag it up a bit so it's at the top of the walls. Drag it a bit down, don't have to be that high. You make them all node roll like that, and you're gonna make a roof too, because if there is one little leak at the map, like if we did like this, it wouldn't work. You couldn't compile it and you couldn't open the map in Counter-Strike, so it have to be fit all over. Okay, now go to the texture tool, you go here, type in tools, find the texture, skybox, look like this, and just do like it did before, minor failure, all the way around like this. Okay, now we got the floor, walls and the skybox. Okay, now for the spawn points. You have to make spawn points to make people able to spawn. Okay, as you can see, I just pressed the entity button over here, this one, and the standard entity is terrorist spawns. Okay, you gotta face them the map like this, and then you're gonna want to drag them up a bit so they don't spawn down the floor. Okay, now for the CT spawns, you just shift drag the terrorist spawns, make them face, and you double click them and type in info player counter terrorist and just enter. Okay, now we got the terrorists and the counter terrorists. Okay, now for the Buyzone. In a map you probably want to make a Buyzone to make people able to buy weapons. So you're gonna make a brush right there where you want the Buyzone to be. You're gonna trigger tool, texture tool, you're gonna type in trigger and make a trigger like that. Okay, Now you mark the trigger, press Ctrl plus T, and you will make it a func Buyzone, like that. And then in team number, you're gonna take the terrorists. For the terrorists, oh, it was counter-terrorist. So it's only the counter-terrorists that can buy in this box. Okay, I shift drag that trigger to the other side, and you just change the team number to terrorists, so the terrorists also can buy weapons. Okay, now this would be a very boring map, so let's make some, I don't know, some little details. We can make a, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make ladders and stairs. Okay, you just find the texture you want. I'm gonna use this, like that, and just for the box, just keep it there for now. And I'm gonna show you how to make the ladders. Okay, I normally do it like this, make them 16 wide and 8 high, like that. And then you shift drag it up, there, mark them all, shift drag, now you mark them all. Oh, I made a bit too many, I think. Well, just shift drag it, click at the screen once to make it able to rotate it, and I can see I have to delete some of them. Like this. Okay, I'll put this one in place like this, make it fit there, and the other one too, right there. Then I'm gonna create a platform in the middle, so it's just don't just fall down in the hole. Okay, now I've got the stairs. Now I'm gonna show you how to make ladders. Just like this. I'm gonna make it a bit higher, so okay. I'm gonna make a ladder here. I just normally shift drag it and make it fit like this. Okay, I have a little box here. You press your texture tool, you type in ladder. I'm gonna use this one, and I want it to fit a bit better, like this. Okay, apply. Now you're gonna mark the ladder, and you're gonna make it as thin as possible. Then press the Ctrl plus T, make it a func ladder. Func ladder, like that. Okay. Okay, in the most maps you make bomb zones too, to make people able to plant the bomb, and like that. Okay, you're gonna make it a trigger texture like this, and you mark it, Control T, oh, whoopsie, func bomb target. Okay, just like that. So now we got the spawn points there and there. We got the Buyzones there and there. We got the stairs. We got the ladders. We got the bomb zone. So let's try to compile the map and see how it looks. You compile the map by pressing File and Run Map, or you can just do it by pressing F9. You're gonna name your map. I'm gonna call it Tutorial 1 Map. I'm gonna save it. Okay. You want to let all this stand as standard except the run this. Put that one on fast. And I usually take don't run game after compiling. That can be annoying. I'll press OK. Wait till it's done, like this. And let's see if we can run the map. Look there. Start. I'm just gonna do like this. And see, we can join the terrorists. As you can see, here I can buy, here I can buy. So let's do like this. And the ladders works. Or the stairs works. The ladders. And now let's check the bomb zone. We can still buy. Okay, check the ladders up. As you can see, the bomb is active over in the left side. And we can plant the bomb. Just like that. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. And there'll be more, I promise.